Hey guys, it's Visto here to help you out with that third polynomials assignment in Delta Math. I'm going to start with the level 1 part, and then we'll come back and hit the level 2 part. So in level 1, it starts off saying use the box method, and it gives you the box. Delta Math wants to take good care of you, and so in this problem, it's giving you the box. And it tells you drag and drop, right? So it starts off saying drag and drop the correct everything to where it goes. So the green negative 6x. Uh-oh. The green negative 6x is going to fill one spot, and the minus 2 is going to fill the other spot. And then the blue parts are going to fill the top. And it doesn't really matter where you go as long as you're not mixing greens and blues, right? One parentheses fills one whole side, the other parentheses fills the other side. So if we look at that, that's kind of where everything went to its home. Then notice Delta Math, again, is taking good care of you. It's going to give you boxes to type in. So in this first box, I have negative times negative, which means it's going to be a positive answer. I have 6 times 2, which is 12. And I have x times x for a total of x squared. In the next box, and hopefully you can see my kind of blue outline around the box just so you can see where I'm typing. In this box, it is negative times positive, so I need a negative, and then 6 times 6 is 36, and there's only one x being multiplied here, so I'm just going to put that one x in there. Moving down below, negative times negative is positive, 2 times 2 is 4, but there's only one x in this multiplication for this specific box, so I'm just going to type 1x here, no exponent needed. And then in the last one, negative times positive, negative times positive, and then 6 times 2. Now, again, Delta Math, taking good care of you. It is not going to just throw you to the wolves, so I push try. And then it says correct, and we get to feel good about ourselves, feel super smart, yay math. Once we get that, then it says write the simplified answer in the box below. So simplified answer means we have to account for any like terms in this process. And what I mean is that minus 36x and that plus 4x, those are like terms. And we need to put them together when we write our finished answer. And then that finished answer, of course, gets typed into the Delta Math box. So 12x to the second minus 32x minus 12. We submit our answer, and Delta Math says, good job, guys. Okay, if I hit next problem again, it's going to lay it out the exact same way. Let me clear my screen. And it's just going to ask me to drag stuff in, fill in the boxes, and then type the final answer. Now, let me try this again. In the other part of this assignment, the level 2 version, it has a couple more steps. So let's walk through one of these level 2 ones. Use the box method. So again, it tells us we're going to start with the box method to do this multiplication problem, which again is just right down there. The problem here is it's asking us to do the setup. So let's take a look at what we have inside each set of parentheses. 4 terms in these parentheses, 2 over here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say I need 4 from the first parentheses and 2 from the second. And once I pick both, it'll lock it in. If for some reason I was wrong, I would just change rows and columns. Then it's time for some drag and drop. Whoa. So my Chromebook is crabby. Let me try something. Hang tight. Okay. Yeah. And we even got a sweet red circle to go with it. Okay, cool. So that first one, the reason we needed 4 is because we had 4 parts to our parentheses, and each part gets a home. Okay, now, negative times negative, it's positive, so positive 5. And then it's x to the 4th. Remember, if you don't remember how to do the to the, I know that sounds kind of funny, but shift with 6 lifts you up so you can do your exponents. Okay, I go to the next box. I've got a negative 5 times 2 is 10, x to the 3rd. I go to the next box. So now, once we've done the setup, these problems are the same as before. And here's what's up. I'm going to make a mistake as I get closer and closer to the end, because I want to show you something that's really cool about this Delta Math assignment. So in this very last box, I am going to do 1 times 2, right? That's how I'm filling in this box. This is a 1 times a 2. 1 times 2, close enough. And that should equal 2. But I'm going to get it wrong. And I'm going to show you why. Because when I get it wrong, when I push try, it's not going to let me, here, let's clean up our screen a little bit. Because it likes us, it's not going to let us keep going. It's wanting us to stop and fix our mistake. And it's going to show us our mistake because look, see that 3 right there? That box is still able to be changed. And so I can go, oh, there's my mistake, delete. I knew it was a 2. Push try again, and then I get the correct that we've been waiting for. Okay? So then I'm going to collect my like terms again, just like I did before. You'll notice most of the time they live together on the diagonal if we did all of our setup right. But if not, it doesn't hurt to write everything down and double check. So we've got 5x to the 4th with no friends. We've got minus 6x to the 3rd when we put those first round together. The next round I've got negative 10x squared. And in the final round I've got a plus 3x. And then lastly, I got that cute little 2 just chilling once we got it right. And then that will go right here. So I know this one's got a little bit more that extra wrinkle, but it's helping you set up the box method and taking good care of you throughout. So I hope you get it figured out. Be in touch if you are struggling.